talk a little bit about these minor 7 / major 6 chords. So the first thing that we want to discuss is the fact that every minor 7 chord has the same 4 notes in it as its relative major 6 chord. So if it's an A minor 7, that means that it's also a C major 6. If it's an E minor 7, it's also a G major 6. Now in the case of Sissy Strut, we're playing a C9 chord, and when you're playing the C9 chord in the jam, look at the bar of these 3 fingers. When I play a G minor chord, I'm still barring those same 3 notes. So interestingly enough, a C9 chord and a G minor chord are right in the same pocket. So when you're doing your C9 chord, you could play the first voicing on our sheet, which I like to use finger 2 to do. That's G minor 7. Here's the G minor. Well, when we play these 4 strings barred, that note right there that we were playing with our pinky over here is now on fret 3. That turns it into a G minor 7. To get to the next voicing on the chart, we have to skip this fret, and the next voicing starts at fret 5. And then to get to the next voicing, we don't skip a fret, so it starts right at fret 8. And then to get to the next voicing, we don't skip a fret, so it starts right at 11. And if you notice right here, this is a G minor 7 chord. This little shape without the pinky, if I were to play a G minor bar chord type 2, there's the G minor chord. I'm just playing this shape with my 1st, 2nd, and 3rd finger, and then dropping my pinky down on the 13th fret to catch the 7, G minor 7, and then to get back to the original chord like we were playing up here at fret 3, I skip a fret, and then I do the 2nd finger barring at fret 15. So again, it was skip a fret, don't skip a fret, don't skip a fret, skip a fret. They're all G minor 7s, or they're all B flat major 6s, because if a G minor is the 6, that means that the 7 is the diminished chord, which would be the A, which means the 1 would be the B flat. So the interesting thing is, when you're doing the C9, this voicing lays right with it. This one's after that, and then this one's after that, and so on up the neck. When I'm doing a G minor chord, I can also play those minor 7s over a G minor chord, or if I'm playing a B flat major chord, I could also play those exact same voicings. B flat major, B flat major, B flat major, B flat major, B flat major 6, B flat major 6. So again, all of those 4 voicings are either G minor 7 or B flat major 6. We can play it over a C9 chord, a G minor chord, or a B flat major chord. Now, one way to think of it is whatever 9 chord you're playing, you go to the 5 and you play the minor 7. So if this is a C9, I go D, E, F, G minor 7. Let's say I moved my 9 chord up to the D, and now I'm at a Sissy Strut, and I'm playing a D9 chord. Well, that same voicings right there. D9, E, F, G, A minor 7. A minor 7 is also C major 6. So what I've been practicing is taking a 12-bar blues, like our funk blues in A, and at first I'm just leaving the A7 just like it always was, 4 measures on the A7, and when the D9 comes, instead of just using a D9, I play A minor 7, 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 then back to the A7 chord for 2 bars. Here comes the E, and I can still do the voicings now for the E9. E, F, G, A, B minor 7, B minor 7, B minor 7, B minor 7, B minor 7. Back to the 1, that's the A. So again, we can use this in blues, and when we're using the 9 chords in blues, we could use it in a minor blues. What if we were to play A minor blues? Then we can play A minor 7, A minor 7, A minor 7 for all the A minors. Then when the D minor comes into play, we'd have to find where all the minor 7s line up for that D minor 7. Make sense? I hope it does. Enjoy.